Hello everyone, welcome to day 15, the final day of our AWS challenge. Today's quiz is all about networking. Let's see how strong your networking basics are as we wrap up this challenge. Let's start. Question 1. What is the smallest subnet size you can create in an AWS VPC? A slash 30, B slash 29, C slash 28, or D slash 27? The correct option is C slash 28. Question 2. What is the largest subnet size allowed in an AWS VPC? A slash 12, B slash 20, C slash 16, or D slash 8? The correct option is C slash 16. Question 3. How many IP addresses are reserved by AWS in each subnet? A 3, B 5, C 2, or D 10? The correct option is B 5. Question 4. In CIDR 10.0.0.0/24, how many usable IPs are there? A 256, B 254, C 251, or D 252? The correct option is C 251. Question 5. Which CIDR block is not allowed in AWS VPC? A 10.0.0.0/16, B 172.16.0.0/16, C 192.168.0.0/16, or D 11.0.0.0/16? The correct option is D 11.0.0.0/16. Question 6. In CIDR 10.0.0.0/26, how many usable IPs are there? A 64, B 62, C 60, or D 59? The correct option is D 59. Question 7. Which AWS feature allows multiple CIDR ranges in a single VPC? A. VPC peering, B. VPC subnet, C. VPC CIDR association, or D. Transit gateway? The correct option is C. VPC CIDR association. Question 8. Which AWS service provides automatic IP address management across VPCs? A. AWS config, B. AWS VPC IPAM, C. Route 53, or D. Direct Connect? The correct option is B. AWS VPC IPAM. Question 9. Which CIDR block is valid for a VPC? A 172.32.0.0/16, B 192.168.1.0/24, C 8.8.8.0/24, or D 224.0.0.0/16? The correct option is B 192.168.1.0/24. Question 10. What happens if two VPCs have overlapping CIDR ranges? A. They can peer without issue. B. They cannot peer. C. AWS resolves conflicts automatically. Or D. Transit gateway ignores overlaps. The correct option is B. They cannot peer. Question 11. Which IP address in a subnet is reserved for the default VPC router? A. First IP, B. Second IP, C. Last IP, or D. Fifth IP? The correct answer is B. Second IP. Question 12. In 10.0.0.0/20, how many usable IPs are there? A. 4096, B. 4094, C. 4091, or D. 4088. The correct option is C. 4091. Question 13. Which AWS service connects non-overlapping CIDR VPCs? A. Direct Connect, B. VPC Peering, C. NAT Gateway, or D. Private Link. The correct option is B. VPC Peering. Question 14. Which feature allows subnet to subnet communication inside a VPC? A. Internet Gateway, B. Route Table, C. NAT Gateway, or D. Transit Gateway. The correct option is B. Route Table. Question 15. In 172.16.0.0/12, what is the IP address range? A. 172.16.0.0 172.31.255.255, B. 172.16.0.0 172.16.255.255, C. 172.0.0.0 172.31.255.255, or D. 172.16.0.0 172.30.255.255. The correct option is option A. 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. That's the end of day 15 and the completion of our 15 days AWS challenge. A big congratulations if you followed along till the end. Share your score in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because even though this challenge is over, more AWS quizzes and learning videos are coming your way. Till then, goodbye.